Happy birthday! 10th birthday to Mila and Emma Stauffer. Born in 2014 on Halloween Day, a total coincidence, I'm sure. Not because they are a little bit wicked. Mila and Emma Stauffer have become YouTube celebrities with their videos on clothing, makeup, school, skincare, dancing, and even dating. And yes, I admit, I was taking notes regarding what they had to say on that particular subject matter. Mila and Emma Stauffer are incredibly mature for their age. Turning 10 years old today, you would think they were 20, and that is no joke. By the way, did you know girls are entering puberty 6 years earlier than they used to? It's true. Girls used to enter puberty when they were about 16. But now they are hitting puberty 6 years earlier. So at age 10. Happy birthday, Mila and Emma Stauffer. We love you.